In this video, I'll guide you through how to install the Supabase CLI on a Windows system. Supabase CLI is a powerful tool that allows developers to manage and deploy their Supabase projects directly from the command line, making it an essential tool for efficient project management. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. This step is crucial because executing some commands requires elevated permissions. To do this, simply search for PowerShell in your Start menu, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. A quick tip: when running PowerShell as an administrator, you'll see Administrator in the Windows title bar, confirming you have the right permissions. Once you have PowerShell open, you'll need to set the execution policy to allow remote scripts to run. This ensures that the scripts we're about to use can be executed without any issues. So, type in Set Execution Policy remote signed, scope current user, and hit Enter. If prompted, confirm the change by typing Y and pressing Enter again. This command changes the execution policy for your current user, allowing you to run scripts that are downloaded from the internet after you confirm their origin. Next, we'll need to install a package manager called Scoop. Scoop makes it easy to install and manage software on Windows. To do this, type iwr uspec get scoop.she.ix into PowerShell and press Enter. This command downloads and installs Scoop directly from its official website. Scoop is a lightweight, command-line installer for Windows, and it simplifies the process of installing and managing software packages. With Scoop installed, the next step is to add the official Supabase Scoop bucket. Buckets in Scoop are essentially collections of applications or packages that you can install. Adding the Supabase bucket will let you access and install the Supabase CLI easily. In PowerShell, type scoop bucket add supabase https://github.com/supabase/scoop-bucket.git and press Enter. This command adds the Supabase bucket to your list of available buckets, so you can access the latest version of the CLI. Now that we have the right bucket configured, it's time to install the Supabase CLI itself. Type scoop install Supabase into PowerShell and hit Enter. Scoop will now download and install the Supabase CLI from the added bucket. This process might take a few moments, so be patient while it completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll have access to the Supabase CLI directly from your command line. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Supabase CLI on your Windows machine. With this setup, you're now equipped to manage your Supabase projects more efficiently. Remember, the CLI is a powerful tool, and exploring its various commands can greatly enhance your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy coding, and see you in the next guide.